Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. I will be showing you how I achieve this look. This is a multi expression hair. I will show you. And so welcome and stay tuned, and let me go to the bathroom and show you how it's done. Show you how it's done. Hey, hey. Watch me do my thing. Watch me now, me. Watch me now. So this one looks easy, yes. Okay, guys, I basically had to mute my bathroom concert, but what I'm doing is taking down my threaded hair and grab my spray bottle. This contains water and oil, shea butter to be precise, and just wet my hair a bit. This is from Adefunke Hairways. I'll drop the link to the webpage down below. So I'm going to put the leave-in conditioner generously on my hair. I like this one because it smells nice and works with my hair. Next, I'll just be putting in some of my favorite oils and rub it in. Ooh, check out my hair. Did you think it wasn't gonna pack? Is it? Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. I'm a kid, I know. Oh man, check me out. That's no hype itself reach me for this life. Adefunke is serious. Well, we're on YouTube. We need to be right. So now I'm just gonna start trying to weave my hair, make a part, pack it up, and yay. Okay, so you see the length. You see, it's not by mouse. It's not by mouse. It's still going on. By the time I stretch it now, oh my shocking. Well, by the glory of the Lord. You see it? Okay, slow mo. Okay, be right back. So, jumping right back into weaving my hair. I'm just gonna go behind the camera and finish it off. Yep, almost done. And now I'm weaving the last braid. Yeah, finally. Now I'm just gonna try to tuck the hair, this section, away somewhere. For this hairstyle, I will be using multi-expression hair. I think you can purchase one on the internet or from someplace. They have many instructions on the back of the hair to kind of tell you what to do. You can follow that. So here I'm basically showing what the hair looks like when you get it out. For me, I use about 2 packs when I cut it into 2. And if you have to fix it the way it is so long, you might end up using 6 different packs. And also you can use this for 4 locks. All the things you can use it for is shown at the back of the pack somewhere. You can also by yourself decide the length you want, if you want it longer or something. Now I'm going to cut it into my own desired length. And after that, I am showing you how short it looks. And for me, I want them to be coily, so I have to separate those locks kind of into 3. You can separate it into 6 also, but I prefer it when it's 3. It's easier to separate. The coils don't tangle as much when you do that, and I just prefer it this way. So I tried to show how to separate into 6, but it wasn't working out. I have also gone really quickly off camera to fix the back of my hair, and now I'm trying to cut a smaller section for the front. I always like to have some sort of fringe in front of my hair, so I have to make the section a little bit shorter. Is it a large needle? Whatever it's called. But let me just try to show how to do. Step 1, open the latch and get it into your hair. Put the material, in this case the attachment, close the latch, pull it out and grab it with the other hand. Here you want to take this one, twist, pick 2 and pull. Latch open, pass it underneath the braid. You need to be careful if your braid is tight. There, place attachment, close latch, pull it. If you don't close it, it's gonna hang in your braid, and that's gonna be like, for me, that's a very painful experience. Hold this, pass through, twist, pass through and pull. Yeah, this is how we do. This is how we do. Ooh. I'm not done, no. I'm already, feeling myself. Hey. Okay. Don't pay me any attention. That's how I entertain myself. So I'm just gonna really quickly fix the rest of the attachment on my hair. And boom! It looks like this. And I'm just gonna arrange it accordingly and try to trim it, make it look a little bit nicer. Just do the regular stuff, style according to how you want it, how you like it. I'm still going to go off the camera to do the fitting perfectly because I have a really small mirror in that bathroom, so I can't really see. But yeah, this is how we do. We make our hair, DIY stuff. Yeah, so those of you who hardly believe that I actually sit down and make my own hair by myself, and every other thing you see on my hair is actually my handiwork, I hope I have been able to convince and not confuse you that this is how we do. Yeah, I'm just doing some finishing touches, and next I'll show you how I have successfully styled the hair. I always like to put a band on it, or basically leave it like that. I put the band because it's cold and it just kind of protects my ears mostly. Okay, so this is what I've done with the hair, and thank you guys so much for staying tuned till now. That's all. Thank you. And here is some kisses for everybody. And until next time, kindly like, subscribe, and bye.